Welcome back to Car TV Show, where we bring you the hottest, toughest, and most exciting vehicles on the road. And today, we have something special: the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. Bigger, bolder, and more capable than ever, this full-size SUV is ready to take on anything, whether it's the daily commute or the great outdoors. The camera glides over a rugged landscape at sunrise, revealing the all-new 2025 Ford Expedition. Standing bold and ready for adventure, the grille gleams, the LED headlights flicker on, and the sound of the twin-turbo V6 engine roars to life. He's a broken bar is the 2025 Ford Expedition. Bigger, smarter, and more capable than ever. The camera zooms in on the redesigned front fascia, showcasing a new, more aggressive grille with an updated LED light signature. The vehicle's sculpted body lines reflect strength and sophistication, appealing to both off-road adventurers and family road trippers alike. Ford has taken everything great about the Expedition and pushed it further through technology, more comfort, and, of course, legendary performance. The shot transitions to the engine bay, where the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6 sits proudly, delivering up to 440 horsepower and 510 pounds-feet of torque in the Timberline and Platinum models. A quick clip shows the vehicle accelerating down an open highway, with best-in-class towing of up to 9,300 pounds. The Expedition easily handles your boat, trailer, or camper, and with the 10-speed automatic transmission, shifting is seamless, making for a smooth and powerful drive. Now, the scene shifts off-road. The Expedition Timberline takes center stage, rolling over rocky terrain with confidence. The camera focuses on the increased ground clearance, all-terrain tires, and trail turn assist, helping it navigate tight spaces. Looking to go beyond the pavement, the Timberline Edition brings rugged capability with an off-road tuned suspension, skid plates, and a 4WD system designed for the toughest conditions. Inside, the doors open to reveal an elegant, high-tech interior. The camera pans over the spacious 3-row seating, showing plush leather options and available massaging front seats. Passengers in the second row stretch out with best-in-class legroom and reclining captain's chairs. The Expedition's cabin is all about space and comfort, whether you're taking a long road trip or just running errands. Every seat feels like first class. The massive 15.5-inch touchscreen lights up, running Sync 4A with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital gauge cluster behind the steering wheel provides real-time information, while the available Blue Cruise hands-free driving makes highway commutes effortless. Ford's latest tech package keeps you connected and in control, with over-the-air updates, an available 22-speaker Bang & Olufsen sound system, and a panoramic sunroof. Every drive is an experience. Cut to the rear of the vehicle, where the hands-free liftgate opens to reveal 104.6 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded down. The camera highlights power folding seats and hidden storage compartments, making it easy to load up for any adventure. Need more space? The Expedition has you covered. Whether it's luggage, sports gear, or weekend camping setup, you'll have all the room you need. The scene transitions to a family packing up their Expedition for a road trip. Kids climb into the back seats, entertained by the available dual rear seat entertainment screens, while the driver sets up navigation with voice commands. And with Ford's latest Co-Pilot 360 driver assistance features, you get adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system for added safety and confidence. The final shot shows the Expedition driving off into the sunset, with the voiceover closing the video. The 2025 Ford Expedition is built for adventure, built for families, and built for the road ahead. More power, more tech, and more capability than ever before. The screen fades to black as the Ford logo appears, with a tagline, "Built Ford Tough."